What is the saddest fact you know that most people will not know? There's a recording of the last kawaii bird singing before it went extinct. It was a mating call sung by a male bird. The song has breaks for the female bird to respond. There's no response because the male kawaii is the last of its kind. What's even sadder is that the person who recorded it until the bird flew away, then replayed the song to make sure they got it, and the bird came back because he thought he heard another kawaii